North America? Above
England.
Are you single, miss?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Where are you from? France?
France, yeah.
What's your name? And
I think everything is famous. I don't know, like croissant maybe in the morning. Adao.
She's very strong.
yes.
Very.
Okay, so you mean your language is straight and also English from?
Sure, I'm Brandon.
Okay, I never work in front of the camera. Oh, you see? Hi, this is one of our best. How are you?
India.
Yeah, we're in India. What's the name city? I'll take you later, okay? Okay, yes. Okay, I pass. Louder. You want to learn some Vietnamese? Yeah. Let's start with the last noodle. Yeah, miếng. Go up for me. F. Pot. So, pot is. Okay. Okay, I pass. Have you been in the North Vietnam?
Yeah, yes, we are starting from here.
First, if you want to, I can teach you. And if you are single, you should consider. Okay, are you ready? If you want to learn some Vietnamese with okay. And you see that we have so. First of all, I would like to introduce you that, and the other you can guess, right? Miếng. Yeah, miếng. Pork. Pork in Vietnamese. Go down, okay? L-O-N. L-O-N, you need to go. Then the accent, the meaning is very. Both of them are dry mushroom. Easy. So I'll only teach you one. You say carrot. No, but we say carrot. Carrot. Dragon. So the old name of Hanoi is in that tongue. Long tongue is like. Mean the dragon is R-U-A. Remember, mushroom to Vietnamese is two types of onion. You want green onion and white onion? Yes. This accent. Learn English. Can you guess? Yeah. Okay. No, but we say carrot. Carrot. Yeah. Yeah, without two. Okay. You will take some of the sauce and sauce. Name được con này. Go down. Han. Yeah, perfect. You remember very well. Buddy, this. Can you know? Thank you. What's your name? Okay, so two of you, right? Two people. My language have action. Try to remember which action. No. Thank you. What's your name? All right, everybody. Stream. Okay, so two of you, right? Two people. Yeah, thank you. Miếng. No, I saw you. If you change the accent, it's a very. Arigato. Ah, thank you, everybody. Coconut wine, hot water. Yeah, so in the north of Vietnam in winter, when we have a rice paper, we need to make it easier because here is a.
You will retrieve
the south of Vietnam, the accent is very sweet. Like, if you hear the girls in the south of Vietnam talk, oh my God, you can. Yeah, you can.
Thank you. Nu ir čia biškai geresnė negu viešbutį, ten kažkokiu prieskoniu dasimušim. Aš 3 svariau didelius. You done? Ah, okay.